Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a lot of amazing and spicy apps on your Fire Stick to watch content for grown-ups only, if you know what I mean. Today we are going to get a lot of apps for you, probably around 5 or 6 applications. So first of all, what you gotta do is get the app code downloader to your device. Actually, you can get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. So just go to search on your device. And now in your search bar, you gotta start typing downloader. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So let's click on it. And that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire Stick device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet. We still gotta set it up. And in order to actually set up downloader on your device, we have to go to settings. So click on the button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, what you gotta do is turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, because it's actually easy to make them appear. What we need to do is go to About, then select Fire TV Stick and start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. Open them. There you need to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. From here you just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, we open it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. Or alternatively, if you don't want to use NordVPN, you can also get IPVanish instead, which is another really decent VPN provider. They are a bit cheaper than Nord, and we do also have a discount code for them as well in a pinned comment of the video or in the description of this video. So it's up to you to decide. It's either NordVPN or IPVanish. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we open the downloader application on your device. Then here on the left side menu, we need to click on Home, and in that search bar, we'll need to enter the codes. So the first code today is gonna be 647 190, so it's 647190. That's the first code we're gonna use. Enter it as you see, and while it's loading now, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It surely helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then, after the file is downloaded, what you're going to do next is, of course, install it to your device. So you have to click on Install and wait for the app to get installed on your Fire TV. Then, do not click on Open yet. Instead, you should press on Done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from the Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available. And then if you go to the list of apps on your device, here you'll find the spicy application that we have just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. And this way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just once again, don't forget to keep your VPN connected while using such apps to stay private online. So we got the first spicy app for you today, but it is definitely not the last one. So we go back to the loader and I'll show you way more codes to get some apps. And now the second code that we're going to use today is going to be 863078. So once again, this 863078, that's the second code we are going to use today. Then we gotta click on Go and just wait for download to start. And there it is, the file is currently downloading to your Fire Stick device. And then I click on Install and pretty much follow the same steps as we usually do. So just wait for the app to get installed, then click on Done to erase the unnecessary installation files. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, wait until it loads, and there is the second application that we have downloaded. Let's put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing spicy apps, but definitely it is not the end, so we gotta go back to downloader and we'll get you a couple more applications. So we'll click on Home again, erase the last code, and now the first code today is gonna be 127586. So once again, 127586. Enter the code, click on Go. And now we are waiting for the app to get downloaded to your device. Then, like always, we click on Install and wait for the app to get installed to your Fire Stick. Then click on Done and erase the installation files. Then, as usually, just go to the list of apps, click on it, and put it up front to your list of applications. And then there's one more applications we are going to get you today. So we go back to Home, erase the code, and so the last code is going to be 438713. So that's the last code. It's 438713. Then you click on Go. And now we are just waiting for the app to get downloaded. There it is, the download has started. Then we install and then get rid of installation files just like always. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll find the last app that we have downloaded. So we put it up front as well. And now we got a lot of amazing and spicy apps on your Fire Stick. So enjoy and see you next time. By the way, don't forget to keep your VPN running to stay private online. Bye bye.